What if I told you that there is a way that you can make the right decisions in life? What if I told you that you can do it? It's not reserved just for special people. How many times do you find in life making an important or difficult decision and you don't know what to do? You don't know what should be the right answer for you. Should I do this? Should I do that? Should I go this way or this other way or another way? Should I accept this invitation for a gathering, a dinner, or business meeting? Or should I stay home or go at the beach to play volleyball? We all go through this process of making decisions, and we must make the right decision. Otherwise, some part of our life will be affected in a negative way. What about if I told you that there is a way that you can make the right decisions in life? What if I told you that you can do it? It's not reserved just for special people. I am inviting you to check my course, my workshop, practical workshop, the use of the pendulum for healing and for everyday life questions. I use the pendulum every day, several times a day. I have 8 pendulums in my home and 1 in my car, 1 on each room of my home. Because whenever I have to make a decision or to make sure that I'm making the right decision, I just use my intuition through the pendulum. We could use the pendulum to make decisions or to find answers for almost everything. The right amount of ingredients for a recipe. What time should I send an email? Should I do business with this person? Or should I not do business with this person? You name it. All these questions that we have in everyday life can be supported or find the right answer with a pendulum. I am inviting you to participate on my free webinar, The Use of the Pendulum for Healing and Everyday Life Questions, where I'm going to elaborate on the use of the pendulum to show you that everyone can use the pendulum, the kind of question that we can get answered with the pendulum. And also interacting with you in this webinar, I can answer your questions or see if the important questions of your life are appropriate for the use of the pendulum. I hope to see you soon.